Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Doing a little more work today. This little 850 is supposed to have a tail light out, so I'm gonna check, see which one, and get it replaced. Since it's just a parking light, all you got to do is turn the switch to the parking light position, and those parking lights will light up, even though the lights inside the car do not light up. So we come back here, see which one is out. We got two lights lit there, one light out there. I call these 1, 2, 3, and 4. So light number 3 is out. Let's see if the bulb is out. At any rate, just replace the bulb. This bulb does look a little damaged, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. While I was replacing this parking light bulb, the bulb down there in the corner broke, which I believe is the brake light. And for some reason, I have an amber light here where the turn signal goes, but I guess that don't matter. Let me go check, make sure that parking light works. Turn the switch back on. And now both of the parking lights work. I'm done with this. I remember Elizabeth complaining about her wiper, and I see here that it moves. So it's loose some kind of way. That one is positioned too low, and I noticed the end of this is missing. I need to do that, and the grill is falling out. So I think I have some clips for that grill. Let me go ahead and secure that grill, re-secure these wiper blades in the proper position, and find a corner light for this thing. That corner light's shattered. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but that hood blanket is destroyed. Coolant reservoir is bad. This engine ticks, so it probably needs a cylinder head or replace all of the lifters there. That hose there is about shot. Somebody's got those clamps on repositioned in a bad way. This is not on properly, and there's washers on this, which tells me they had problems with this wiper staying in position. So I'm gonna get some valve grinding compound and put some valve grinding compound between the wiper arm and the stud to help that grip. Let me go grab that, get that done, and then I think we're gonna go visit some family. When you have this piece in here rounded off like this one is, and that right there almost rounded off, you get some grinding compound or something gritty, and you put that on there, and when you tighten it down, it causes a grip that hasn't let go on the Queen Bee for years. Other than that, you gotta replace the whole windshield wiper transmission assembly and probably the wiper arm too. But let me go ahead and do this, position this properly and tighten it down. I put a bunch of it in the hole there. I don't know if it matters if you put it on there or on there. Now I'm gonna fit this on there and tighten it down. Probably won't need those extra washers that it had. Apparently, somebody stripped the threads either on that or in the bolt that goes on it. So I'm going to grab my tapping kit and tap some threads on there, make sure the threads are good, and see if I can find a new bolt to put on there so that this could be correct. I don't remember exactly where I got this from. I should have wrote the person's name in here, but it's a 41-piece tap and die superset. It has everything I need to tap holes, not fix bolts. Interesting. So let me see what the thread count is on that. It's probably 8 1.0 and go from there. Oh, wait a second. Uh-oh, wait a second. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yeah, boy. That's the rest of the kit right there. Right there. I got it all. Got it all now. Yes, I am good to go. All right, let me figure this out and get this done real quick. I ain't got all day. Yeah, I can see now those threads are boogered up pretty bad. This 20 works. So let me see if I can find a 20 in here. So I use this one here. That is a 5/16 24 NF. It seemed to be a similar thread as that was on there. And now as you can see, I have threads. So I'm going to go grab a nut because I dropped the nut down that drain and I heard it wiggle down there. So let me do that. Put some more lapping compound on that piece and get this together so we can run our errands. That bolt down at that part still stripped, so I'm gonna have to replace this transmission assembly, which I do have 2 of those, so it ain't no big deal. Let me reposition this one, tighten this up. Now these are the proper position of these wipers, not touching the bottom of the windshield. Should be good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.